All right, welcome back to my channel. I have an Amazon Alexa. I've had it for a long time. I did a box opening a long time ago, and I do not have an Alexa Show. So I decided to buy this Lenovo Smart Tab M10. So here it is. It's called the Smart Tab M10. It's got a speaker system on the bottom, a Google Android pad with Alexa built in it. Supposed to have Alexa Show, and we'll see how it works. Okay, so let's open it up here. And here we've got the pad itself. It is running USB-C and connectors for the port, but overall headphones. Just a nice looking little pad. Okay, and here we've got the speaker. Okay, it's got a little Bluetooth symbol, power or volume up and down, and it looks like a microphone shut-off button. Alexa built in. So in here we've got the power cable, and then, oh, that's a USB cable only for probably charging the pad, not when it's hooked up. And then here's the cable. Let me get this thing booting up and we'll show you some more. All right, so we've got it plugged into the wall. The Bluetooth is flashing, and she's booting up Lenovo right now. 98% charged. Okay, I guess it didn't boot all the way up. I'll need to hold the button on. Oh, there we go. All the normal stuff. License agreement. Get started with Alexa. Connect to some Wi-Fi. Okay, I've had a few weird things. I was just trying to do the normal password stuff. Android setup has stopped. But Alexa is still kind of going on and having me accept some stuff. So a few funky things in the beginning. Set up as a new one. Okay, I got signed in with Google so far. So I've got signed in with Google, and now we're hopefully going through the rest of it. I'm not going to put a password on for now. Skip it, yeah. And she turns sideways. So this is asking me to set up the Google Assistant. I guess at this point, I would have to say no thanks because it has Alexa on it. I'm not sure why I'd want Google and Alexa on at the same time, but it doesn't give me much of a choice here to do certain things. We're not going to do any of this for now, and we'll accept. No, we don't need to add anything else. And I'm not gonna sign up for Lenovo at this point. And I don't need Outlook on it at this point. No, I don't want to do this. View full screen. Got it swiped down. Okay. So there's a few things going on. Allow Amazon to see my photos. Take pictures and record videos. Access photos again. Weird. Take pictures and record videos. Yeah, I think they've got a few weird things. It just keeps asking the same questions. Okay, I think we made it through. Has requested permission, enable Bluetooth. Yeah, that's the way it talks to the speakers, Bluetooth. I think we want to do location so we can get some weather, I guess. But it's kind of weird. It's a little pokey on some of their on their menu on starting it. Not as smooth as it should be. Not really positive why, but we'll see. Introducing Alexa. So I think we must have got set up. Oh, we're going through a video. I don't really want to watch this. No way to exit the video. I mean, I just want to go away. Ah, there we go. Now we're at the Alexa show. It's asking me to try something. So Alexa, tell me a golf joke. Okay, today's horoscope. Alexa, tell me a golf joke.
Why was the pizza maker terrible at golf? His whole round was full of slices.
Little delay in there. Now maybe it's trying to do an update in the background. So I guess we can just go out of this maybe. Yeah. Okay, so we do just have regular Android back here. We take it off the device. Just a typical Android device. A few pre-installed stuff, YouTube, Netflix, map, of course, all that stuff. Let's see what happens when we reconnect it. And it's connecting to the Bluetooth, which must be the speaker. Alexa, can you rap?
My name is Alexa, and I'm here to say I'm the baddest AI in the cloud today. Your responses are fast, but mine are faster. Sucker speech engines, they call me master.
Alexa, stop. There is definitely some weird little nuances, like what is it doing now? Waiting for something? I'm not really sure here. I mean, I guess maybe if I just leave it, it's going to go back to its home. But at this point, I'm not really sure what it's doing. I'm going to pull it back off. Okay, and it leaves that. And we'll put it back on once. Now, I don't have weather, probably because I didn't give it a location or anything. It's just set up there. But now this time Alexa didn't come back on. So it does have a few delays in it. According to it, I mean, it should be fast enough. It should be a good pad overall. Let's maybe, it keeps saying that. Okay, so let's take it back off. Oops. Let's try YouTube. We'll see how fast this loads. Update for okay, well, for now we're not going to update it. We'll see what it does here. Let's watch Golden Buzzers. Pretty responsive, not too bad. Try putting it back on. Okay, that time it went straight to Alexa like it should. Let's take it back off. Put it back on. Act like a 4-year-old that is not being watched by their parents. Let's see how much we can irritate it. Now it seems to actually be connecting much faster and doing things. So maybe it was checking for some updates. Not sure. Now once I'm here, I'm not sure how to get Alexa back either. Some different things here. Google Alerts. Nothing too crazy. Oh, Alexa just came back up. Okay, let's throw her away again. Okay, we'll just give it a second and see if it just shows up on its own. Heard it made a sound, but no Alexa yet. It's not running. So again, I'm not sure. This Alexa's, oh, there it goes. Out of the blue. A little funky. Maybe you just aren't supposed to really be using this pad while it's on its base. Maybe it's designed to keep it off when you're using it, and then when you're done and you just have it stored, have it charging obviously, and at the same time be able to use it as Amazon Alexa. Okay, so that's my new toy. We'll see. Seems a little buggish yet. It's brand new to the market as far as I can tell. So maybe they'll have some bug fixes. Maybe they'll do a few other things and get it tweaked. And hopefully it'll end up being a little bit better than that little bit of, like I said, bugginess. Thanks for watching.